Hi, I'm Kayla.
Hi, my name is Chris Reed.
Hi, I'm Sam Wong, and this is KaylaKnows Sprint 2 presentation.
The problem that we are trying to solve is giving people a way to improve their overall health through their nutrition while also giving them a way to track and store and correlate all of the data. So we're trying to educate people about their nutrition and their impacts on their overall health, and add useful features to the generic calorie tracker and macronutrient counters, like MyFitnessPal, Lose It, and Weight Watchers in a fully free application. So we want to correlate different health information to create snapshots of health regards to nutrition and combine all of the data into one easy to use place. We're also trying to motivate users to log their nutrition through a nice bright design that's doesn't feel too much like a chore. And we also want to create a personalized experience that allows users to see the everyday benefits of the diets they're trying to follow through our application and through multiple areas of their health.
So a little bit about our important questions and process of answering these questions. For instance, do people want educational food logging app? Are personalized health scores desired? What health statistics are most important to consumers? How to securely retrieve and store data? In what ways can we create a point system for week-to-week matchups on fantasy health? And a little bit about how we answer these questions. We presented our storyboards to people and kind of just got their feedback from that and then changed it and added it to our notebooks. We did conduct more interviews and we also researched some of the other competitors, which would be FoodUcate, MyFitnessPal, LifeSum, and Shopwell. A little bit about the educational nutrient tracker and the results of our research. We wanted to be able to have a personalized health scoring. So basically, like eating certain types of food, you get a score on it. So for instance, let's say that you've customized yours to be keto friendly. Well, then you're going to, if you eat a lot of carbs, then you're going to have a very low score. So it's going to be kind of custom to your fitness goals, and then give a point system based on that, the foods that you eat. A lot of people did like this idea as well as an educational health app. So maybe like pros and cons to eating certain foods. Like maybe some are high in saturated fats. Well, you could like canola oil is high in saturated fat, so you could use avocado oil. Some about the analysis of the other apps that are currently on the market is Shopwell only pertains to general diets and no calorie tracking. MyFitnessPal users have to pay for their for the feature, and LifeSum you have to pay for different diets.
This is the storyboard for the educational nutrient tracker. The primary use case demonstrated here is the user's viewing the food's health score and information while logging. To start, our user will be prompted with the home screen on the left. The user then will click the Add Food button under Breakfast to move to the middle screen. Here, the user will click on the Edit Food checkbox, which then they will enter the food that they want to be logged. In this case, the user will be inputting chicken, which brings up the screen on the right. This is the search result for all foods with chicken in it. From here, the storyboard has two different scenarios. In scenario A, the user selects organic raw chicken breast and is presented with the screen on the left. This displays the macros, calories, health score, and information about the food. A user can then enter a different serving size or quantity and receive different information. This is shown in the middle image, where the user might type in 2 for the quantity. In this story, the user enters 1 into the quantity and hits enter into the keyboard. This returns them to the home screen on the right. This shows the updated nutrition info for the day. In scenario B, the user will be selecting the fried chicken option. They will go through the same process as scenario A, where they see all the information for fried chicken in the screen on the left, and then they will click enter after entering a quantity of 1 and go to the screen on the right. Notice that this has moderate health scores and correlating information to fried chicken.
We have two main user segments. One is professionals who are nutritionists, trainers, health professionals who are trying to view their clients' nutrition and provide advice and evaluate their overall health and what they can do to improve their health. And then we have the general population who is trying to lose weight, just become healthier, learn more about their health, feel better, or trying to go to the gym and improve their performance in some way. So the values for each of these groups, the professionals' focus is on connection to their clients, available histories, efficiency, and convenience for large groups of clients, so not cumbersome to view lots of different clients' data. And they also need relevant and sufficient data. So enough data so that they can see a full picture of what's going on, but not too much data where it gets irrelevant and hard to read. And then the general population, their focus is more on education and guidance, customized and personal experience, accessible and cost-free services.
This is a reflection of Sprint 2 and a look forward to future sprints. First, we learned that there is a market for educational nutrition tracking apps. Displayed below are some statistics of interviews conducted throughout the sprint. Notably, everyone liked the overall idea of the application. Most people preferred to learn with pros and cons lists rather than blurbs of information. And in addition, we learned that there is a competition that does exist inside of this realm, but they lack some features like health scores related to customized diets. The next steps involve answering the questions of how best to incorporate all of these features into one app. Specifically, do we want to focus solely on logging education? Should we include aspects of wearable tech and or fantasy health? And how easy is it to incorporate third-party APIs into this application? We plan on answering these questions with more user research, creating a working demo of the app, and incorporating some third-party APIs to get the logging capability working. Then we will try to experiment with different algorithms and time how efficient each is with retrieving and logging food. Thank you for watching.